Here's the box that the V9 comes in. Let's now remove the plastic and cut through the seal. Inside, we have some ejector pin and some booklets along with a soft silicone case. Then there's the phone itself. Let's peel the plastic off. This is the glossy black variant. Looks quite nice, at least for the moment. We then have a wall adapter, a micro USB cable, and finally, Apple EarPod style earphones. And that's it for the box contents. Let's now get back to the V9. The Vivo V9 is made entirely out of plastic, and the glossy black color that we have is a fingerprint magnet. The back of this device is a vertical dual camera setup. Below that we have a centrally placed fingerprint scanner, and that's it. The rest of the back's clean, and so's the top. To the right we have the power button and the volume rockers. The left houses the dual SIM plus dedicated micro SD card slot. The bottom, well, we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, the micro USB port, and a speaker in there. To the front of the device, we have a 6.3-inch screen with a 19:9 aspect ratio. The resolution is Full HD+. Now this is an IPS LCD display with excellent viewing angles. The colors seem vibrant, the panel feels bright. The screen to body ratio is an impressive 90%. But to achieve that, we've got this notch. This houses the sensors, earpiece, and a selfie camera. Inside, we've got the Snapdragon 626 running the show. There's 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of onboard storage, with room for memory expansion via microSD. It's worth noting that while the Snapdragon 626 is a decent chip, it's still a slightly tweaked 625, which is over 2 years old. And that means it might not perform as well as something newer like the 636 or even MediaTek's P60, which are the main competition. For the price, I wish Vivo had used something more recent. Anyway, we will be testing this out and have more on all this in the full review. Now, powering all this hardware, we've got a 30 to 60 milliamp hour battery inside. Now, as far as the software experience goes, we have FunTouch OS built on top of Android 8.1 Oreo. Vivo's UI is very far from stock, and with the control center and the app switcher, you can't help but feel that this was heavily influenced by iOS. To their credit though, Vivo have implemented a gesture navigation system that mimics the one on the iPhone X entirely, and it works really well. As far as other features go, we have a shake to turn on flashlight that I think I will find quite handy, as well as loads of other gestures. There's even an app twin function thrown in. Initial impressions, the 626 seems to easily handle the UI